it's Anna from Atlas. Let me show you how to measure travel time in Atlas so fast and easy you'll be mind blown. All you need is an Atlas account, and to create a new project, I already skipped those steps and I am here in a new project view. Then we can go in the left side panel and choose the plus button to add some data. We're going to use food store data from Denver. I found it online, I can share it for you. Once the data has been uploaded, it shows here on the left side panel. We can just zoom in there and we see our grocery store points. So these type of points are a perfect way to measure travel time around the certain store. So let's go then to the right side panel and to data actions. Here we choose tools and workflows, and there we click to a perfect position ourselves here straight to travel time analysis. So let's click us in there, and then we switch the data sets and we choose our layer, and then we can choose both the transportation method and the travel time. I think walking distance is quite nice, and maybe we can choose quite a short time, such as 5 minutes walking distance. Then let's run the operation, and soon we're going to see some travel times. All right, that's nice. So we can move that in the layers under the food stores so that the food stores are there in the middle of each layer, like that. Then what we can maybe do is to style a bit. So this is completely optional. Now we already have run the analysis and we're sort of done with that, but styling is always a nice part. So let's click the layer and we go to the right side styling panel. What we can maybe do is to add a label so that we can really see what this is, and that's a grocery store. So let's add this grocery store icon I have saved here, and let's make it a bit smaller. So that we can always see quite precisely where the certain point is, but maybe we can still see what this is about. Then we can maybe allow overlap so we actually see every point, otherwise we wouldn't see them. Then let's remove the original point so that we really just have these labels. All right, that's pretty nice. Then if we want, we can also adjust the color in the travel time thingy. Maybe we can have something green like this, and actually I don't know if we need the outline at all. And now it looks quite nice. We always see here from where you can walk into this certain grocery store in 5 minutes. And that's how you measure travel time in Atlas super fast and easy.